Hey guys, today's the day we're gonna learn how to get bitches and hoes on Movie Star Planet as soon as it loads and gives me my fucking coins. I got 120. I'm killing
Wait,
myself.
that's really good. What the fuck? That never happened to me.
Y'all, today's a lucky day. Hold up. Come on.
Oh, you got a message. Is it a bitch who wants you?
Probably. I have a lot of hoes on here.
I have no girlfriend. Good night.
Memeing it real quick. It's actual cancer. You just fucking vape exhale on my stuff.
No, what? You were on this 7 days ago?
No, she messaged me 7 days ago.
Okay, you were having conversations 7 days ago, so it makes sense that she just randomly sent that 7 days ago. So that means you've been pretty fucking active on this, haven't you?
No. Just trying to see some titty stuff. Okay, which one should we go to today? I like the cafe one. Rainbow Love. Is this gonna be gay? No, I do not. Thank you. Mr. Quinn. I have no one with me right now. Look. Like, actually, I have no one online with me right now.
Oof.
I'm alone. It is taking forever alone. There's one singular person in here. Oh, I lied. She's a big titty goth girl. And she's a VIP. Let's see what she can give me. She's single. A little bit crazy. Yes, I want to be friends. I'm just trying to get hoes. Me those freaking coins, love.
Ooh, I like her periwinkle hair.
Oh
Do you want to get a
yeah.
boyfriend?
I could do that
If
too.
you're bi, hit me up. Hit her up.
Into boys.
He's denying it, even though he's the only one I sent this wrapped.
Okay, why aren't you loading? Hey. That girl's looking at me all freaking smug like knew he was gay. Think he's gay?
Probably. I mean,
He
his name is
looks
Josh.
pretty gay. Nope, girlfriend. Not my thing, not my thing. Get off. Don't touch my line. Promoting itself. No, but all I'm saying, I should get hoes. I'm gonna hit her up.
Good job.
No, I'm gonna be formal. I'm gonna say, "Milady." Should I say hi or hello or "Milady"?
Hi, milady. That's the perfect response.
Hello, "Milady." Shit. Oh, Nelly, please load.
Can we put a fedora on your?
I don't think they sell them.
Oh, what a shame.
Let's look. What a shame the poor groom's bride is a whore.
I chimed
Oh, she's on hay already.
Damn.
Ooh, she wants cock, and I'm supplying.
Ask for Snapchat.
Should. First off, this is completely homosexual. I want it.
I want it now.
Hello, my lady. Ooh.
Ooh.
Sex, please?
It might start out. What if it's actually a guy and you're both catfishing, so you can actually find the perfect boyfriend that isn't Matt?
No, I already know that Matt's not the perfect one, thank you. Let's go see if we can find some fedoras. Spicy. Oh,
You have diamonds?
yeah.
Why the fuck do you have diamonds? Get a send her a gift. Send her that as a gift because you want to be her daddy.
Okay, how do you send it? As a gift? I don't remember.
I think you just click on her and then there will be like a gift box or something.
Hold up. Let me check. Yeah.
Oh hell yeah! Ooh, look at that. Can you get black hair?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, black hair is more attractive.
What a shame the poor girl was blind. Never mind.
Never mind.
Okay, sweet pea. I'm gonna wife this girl.
Oh heck yeah! Can you like cheat on her and then cause like
Chaos.
chaos and a huge ass scandal? Say, be my princess.
I should. She's probably like 8. What?
Oh, my nose hurts.
Do I have to not be wearing it?
Oh, they have old school Vans on here?
Here.
What? Take that shit off.
Well, it's not my fault. Put on it automatically, Molly. I'm sorry. Did I just completely like out you?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh no, my fat roll's seeping.
Aren't you used to that?
It's like dough.
Just want to play with.
Thank you. Thank you. Also, I'm gonna change this hair while we're in here.
Next time we're at
Okay, we're back. Oh. I have to send her this because I want her. I want her to seem like she's just completely mine.
completely yours.
Yeah, I want to sell her. Yes.
Noah's trying to FaceTime. I don't have a charger.
Well, I'm not trying to see his face. Don't usually give him gift to my hoes on the first date. Let's see if we can find a fedora. Does this count as a fedora? No.
No. I hope you don't hear my wheezing in this.
I can hear you wheezing.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck. Thank you, I love it!
We're
oh my
20.
God, I'm so smart. She better start wearing it. I swear to God. Should have made it yellow to match her outfit, but... Lady? It's close.
It tips.
It tips!
And we can make it black.
Oh my God. I'm down. Can we get
getting
some,
gross.
like, jewelry? Skew smart. Oh shit. I wanna be a cowboy, baby.
Okay, what are we doing?
We need more jewelry. Say no problem, baby girl.
Barely a dent in my wallet. No, if Matt finds us, he's gonna kill me, right?
What?
Dude, are these cloud goggles?
Holy shit. Make them pink like the ones you got me.
Sells a Soren. Hell yeah.
Maybe I should prefer this one. Snatched.
I know we just met, but I think you are cute. I told you I could get a hoe. It's been literally less than 15 minutes.
I
and
believed you.
I got myself a boo. Look,
We should make it a competition. Next video is to see how quickly I can get one.
yeah.
I'm down. You're cuter.
If she does not give me her virginity after that, I don't know what I'm doing. That was cancer. You're cancer.
Make
I
a
want to see if she
competition
has
to
any
see who can
pictures
get her
on her
virginity.
profile.
Show everyone the pictures you have.
Update. I don't think there's any pictures of actually her.
Aww.
She says yes, which is always a winner.
Oh my God, she's a weeb. It's perfect.
We could have sex right now.
Right now.
Yeah, like at the moment. How many things have you posted? Jesus Christ. I'm just trying to see your face, boo. She loves Bruno Mars.
I love Bruno Mars.
Oh. Did I accidentally end the recording?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops.
Probably finished. We can start another one. Just uploading parts.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
So I want to wifey her right now.
Did you accidentally delete it?